Hey, it's Wednesday. No, I'm not on the road anywhere, but I'm about to head to the shop and a few other places. So I figured I would just film for no good reason but to be an idiot on the internet. Maybe. I'm just getting my crap together. When I get in my truck, I go through a process. Of course, to put the chair in back there, but sometimes I'll have extra gauges hooked up, or I'll have my phone in the same spot as that, and music going. Since I refuse to get a haircut, I also wear my hat while I'm driving. Take my phone, use that as my stereo. Self-explanatory. Everybody does that, so. Stevie Ray Vaughan. You can jam some Stevie Ray.
Hello there, my old friend. Not so long ago.
I'm going to take the camera and put it